Life is too short to dread going to a place where you spend 40 plus hours per week, 800 plus hours per month, and nearly 10,000 hours per year working. In fact, statistics show that the average person works 1/3 of their life working. Yeesh! That's a lot of time spent making someone else rich. Why not devote some of that time to working for yourself? Better yet, why not devote all of that time to being your own boss? This is the main thing you will learn from my course. Listen, life is too short to wonder what could happen or how it should be. You have the right to make things happen that make you happy. Let me tell you a quick story. After attaining my bachelor's degree in business finance in May 2009, I was in a dilemma. I didn't know what to do next. I knew I wanted to go to grad school, but my GRE scores were too low to get into the MBA program next semester. So I was stuck and I had to go back to my hometown. Staying in my room like a sedity teenager wasn't gonna cut it with my mom, so I had to get a job. I worked at JCPenney during the holiday season and I hated it. I knew this wasn't my path, yet I felt stuck. Then one day, while at work, this older gentleman came up to me out of nowhere and told me, "You're going to own this place one day." His statement, made me smile like a kid in a candy store. I turned my head to fold some clothes, and then when I turned back to thank him, he was gone and nowhere to be found. To this day, I don't know if he was my guardian angel or some random guy who simply saw that I was unhappy being there. Either way, that moment changed my life and made me realize that my career path was set to become one thing: a businessman. And ever since December 2009, I haven't worked for anyone else but myself. That day, I chose happiness over comfort. Now ask yourself, what makes you happy? I know one thing that doesn't make you happy: your job. If it did, you wouldn't have invested in my course. Yet, as I alluded to at the beginning of this lecture, you spend a hefty amount of your life working. And for what? To pay bills, to take care of your family, to take that dream vacation, or have that dream wedding. All those things can be taken care of by having money, not having a job. You don't need a job, you need money. Money isn't bounded by what you do nor how you make it. You can make money in multiple ways. So why not choose a way that makes you happy? I want you to sit back and reflect on this question momentarily before moving on to the next lecture.